everybody, and welcome. In today's video, we're unboxing my Boxycharm base box that Boxycharm was kind enough to send over. So shout out and thank you to Boxycharm. I was on like a quick little overnight and I came home to boxes on boxes and boxes. So you're gonna see all these in a lot of videos, but honestly that's just kind of the norm. That's how I work. I sit and I film and I film and I look the same. So I know what you're saying, Rhonda, those eyes. I know, she's outside her comfort zone, but don't you worry. I'm doing Is It Duper Just Waste Money. So I am testing, trying, and doing this stuff with these eyeballs. So stay tuned for that video. All right, it's quite the interesting one. Anyways, if you are new to Boxycharm, well, I'm so glad that you decided to stop by on this channel. Let me just warn you, I'm gonna talk a lot, I'm gonna veer off topic, and that is what I do here. I caffeinate up, I like to think it makes me focus, and then I just ramble for days. So, anywho, information as far as signing up for Boxycharm will be in my description box. I think this comes at like $27.99 now. It is 5 full-size products and you do get to customize one. My paid for one should be on its way, and I will come back and unbox that one as well. Maybe put them up, you know, neck and neck. I've been filming a lot of get ready with me's. Haven't edited them, but I will be editing them soon. So anyways, if you're new here, welcome. My name's Rhonda. It's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we keep it cute or put it on mute, or as some of y'all like to say, we keep it sassy and classy. So let's go ahead and jump in. So this is Treat Your Heart Out. That's cute. What the? What? Okay, well that's weird. What you doing? Because normally on the other side tells me what's in this box, retail value, and a little information. Well, I know some of y'all over here are like, thank you Jesus, she's not gonna be reading the card. I'll still talk, you just wait. Okay, I think I remember what choices were. Alright, so the first item in here is the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. Look how cute. This is such a happy, like, so cute. Okay, words are not working. Get out. There we go. So it's in your standard type of cardboard packaging. This is the inside, no mirror. And, I mean, it's a really cute, like, neutral colored palette. No scent. I wanted it to smell like banana pudding or something. So this is what it looks like. I really like this rice pudding color. It's very basic, but it's like a pinky undertone type of color. It's really cute. You guys want me to swatch it? No? Okay. Well, I heard the, you know, 3 of you that said yes. So here we go. They always feel so nice. I like the fact that there's a lot of colors in here that are just like shove that on the lid and we're good to go kind of dealio, you know? Not much work. Very neutral friendly. They feel really nice. I know swatches don't tell the full story, but it's always fun to look at the colors. So, and you got 9 shades in here. This one would be like the deepest shade that, or deepest Maya. I don't know. I don't honestly feel like a lot of people are gonna enjoy the color story, because I don't know. I think this, in all honesty, I think this is gonna be a 50-50 palette. I sound like a weatherman. But, you know, because I feel like I see a lot of people saying like how much they love neutrals, and it never fails. When we get a neutral palette, everybody in the comment section is like, I need a colorful palette. So I don't know. I think it's pretty. I think the colors are, like I said, colors you're going to definitely use quite often and get a lot of use with them. But I feel like a lot of people are going to tell me they want more. Do you want more? Let me know. Let me know. It's always fun to like hear y'all's thoughts on those. Unless it's mean thoughts against me, then please just click off my content, because big fat meanie. All right, let's jump in. The next item is the Goldfaden MD Solution Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer. I know I've received this in the past, but in all honesty, I think it was in a PR box, and so when it comes to the PR boxes, they don't keep track of, you know, if it's a duplicate. It doesn't matter. It's, you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. So this is going to be a multifaceted hydrating moisturizer. It does deliver brightening glow to all skin types. I think the one I'd received, maybe it was in my paid for box, was something about protecting your skin barrier. So, but you guys tell me Goldfaden MD is like absolutely amazing. I guess it's more of like the medical side of skincare. So, I mean, y'all know I love skincare. What is this interesting thing? The Better Skin Co. Eye Bright Now Anti-Puff Dark Circle. Oh, Lord, I could use that. You guys, my under eyes are just going through it right now from the trip. So, I'll definitely try it. Okay, can I just be honest with you? I get a little confused because to me, I guess it says it's a serum. I guess it's a serum, but it looks like an oil. Let's open it up and see.
Because they always say...
Ooh, that is exactly why your girl has to have kid scissors. Klutz. So, they always say when it comes to your skincare, you put your serums on. The thinnest goes first. And then you layer to like your, you know, serums, creams, lock it in with the oil. But when it's, sometimes I've gotten things where it's like an oil. And I'm like, well, how am I supposed to do that? Let's see. I could just totally be overthinking it. I think it's just a serum. It's like a... Give me a moment. It smells like a glycerin. Does glycerin have a scent? Okay, it's definitely not an oil. It's definitely more of a serum. So you can definitely feel like it definitely... Hey Rhonda, how many times can you say definitely, definitely, definitely? Okay, let's not do that. Not. It definitely absorbs. Just told you not to do that. It completely absorbs into the skin. And it actually feels really nice and soothing. Oh, you're gonna be on my under eyes. Did it make it look smoother? If that's I think it did. Okay, so I'm gonna have to dip my entire body in this product. Honestly, I was like so ho-hum. This is the thing. It literally looks smoothing. Wow, okay. It says use in the morning and the evening, apply to clean skin, place 1 drop in your finger, oops, and apply gently under the eye. So, oh, look at that. It's water, glycerin. So my weirdo nose smelled glycerin. I'm not proud, guys, okay? Sometimes I question why people stop by. So just know that I do appreciate you. The next item in here, ugh. Look, Boxycharm says we're gonna send you the box and PR. We're gonna need you to be honest. And that's what I really appreciate, is when like Boxy, Ipsy, anybody subscriptions are like, just be honest with your thoughts. I do not really enjoy Them Lala products. Like some of them are fine. Like her eyeshadows, what is this? Oh, okay. It's a lip. Is it a gloss? It's a Hydro Matte. I'm not gonna open it because I know I was sent this in like an AIA box when AIA first came out. I'm not saying her products are bad, but in all honesty, I just don't get real excited over them. You know, like I don't know. I just nah. I don't know. And then last, which was a choice, is the Benefit They're Real Magnet Mascara. This stuff is good. And I can't remember what it went up against. Was it the Rare Beauty foundation? Because I know I didn't end up picking this because I really wanted to try the Rare Beauty foundation. But I can tell you, I got a little sample size of this and I bought something from Sephora and this was a choice, like try it product. What do they call that? For God's sakes, what is that called? Hey, you spent this, you get to pick a couple of the doohickeys in here. it's free, whatever. So I got a free little sample size of this, and I actually really liked it. I actually gave it its own little dedicated video. So yeah, this is a good mascara. I think you're actually really gonna like it if you did pick it out. So yeah, it says 40% longer, 40%, what's plus longs? I don't really know, but I liked it, and I felt like it worked really good. I didn't understand the magnetic side of it. I thought I was gonna... Listen, I'm the type of person that I take things literal, okay? So like if you tell me this is a magnet mascara, in my head, if I come close to a magnet, my lashes are gonna get suctioned to it, okay? That is what I thought was gonna happen. It doesn't. Did I try it? Yeah, because I'm 44 and I act like I'm 15, so anywho. So that's everything in the PR box. And you know, here's the thing. I always tell you all, like, I will sit here and be like, ew, that's not my color. Ew, I don't like this. And then I swatch it and I'm like, shut your pie hole, because I end up loving it. And this little product, this shocks me. I'm definitely going to be using this underneath my eyes tonight, and then locking it in with like a moisturizer underneath of it, like an eye cream, because this really made that part of my hand nice and smooth. And right now, because we stood out in the cold in Pennsylvania for like just 30 minutes, but like I had to get gas and I stood out filling up, my skin took a beating this weekend, and this is definitely needed. I know I'm hard on the Them Lala, but here's the thing, you know, now that I'm thinking more about it, the component to me is just really chintzy. And I remember like the doe foot on her products is like really hard and chintzy, you know, like when I'm using some of like, say like the OFRA Cosmetics liquid lipsticks, or the Gerard Cosmetics or L'Oreal's liquid lipstick doe foots, they're soft on my lips. And that was one of the complaints, which I should have been paying attention to the formula, but I don't remember like hating her formula or anything. It was just the whole, I wasn't excited to play with the product because I didn't like the components. You know, I just felt like they were just not it for me. So I don't know, but I like the look of the shade. It's a nice nude color. I think that this is gonna be like, here's the thing, y'all, when it comes to this palette, I'm the type of person, I like to multi-use my products, okay? So remember, like this shade right here, you could more than likely potentially set your under eye with this shade. In my OFRA Cosmetics Project Influencer palette, I had a nice light vanilla basic shade in there, and I'll do that a lot of the times. Like for example, when we went out of town, I used that and I set my under eyes with that color. And I love the fact it does have a pink undertone to it, which means it's gonna help brighten your under eye even more. I mean, you could probably bronze with this shade right here. So, I mean, or even mix them. Use it as a blush, I don't know. So that is definitely something that when I get a little over something, I'm like, can I multitask it? You're gonna be able to. Plus the formula, you know, is good. So overall, the box is honestly pretty decent. I like that I got an eyeshadow palette. I love that there's a mascara in here. I like the color. I'll give her that. And then I do like that this was the skincare product. So good job, Boxy. I'm excited to see what my paid for base box is, because it was obviously a completely different choice item. So I'd like to see how they curated that. But I am curious, is this how all the cards are gonna be from here on out? Because it doesn't even say February on it. I mean, it has the hearts, but it just says we've got some epic in the works and can't wait to tell you all about it. Follow Instagram, follow us on Instagram, Boxycharm, and get the exciting biggest beauty news of the year. What's the biggest beauty news of the year? Are they like combining, I wonder? I'm gonna be mad. How do you ship that? Ipsy and Boxy. Be like, Eboxy? Eboxy? I don't know how to ship. I've never been good at that. My 16-year-old can ship anybody, and I'm just like, I don't know how you do that. My brain doesn't work like that. Anyways, y'all, let me know your thoughts as far as this PR box went. Like I said, I'll be back to unbox my personal box with you all. I actually did receive the premium box this month, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox that. Don't forget to check out Martha over at The Good Candle. I have Love Spell going, and then I had Strawberry Cheesecake going in my beauty room. My house smells like a yummy, delicious, happy little, okay, I'm rambling. Anyways, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Thank you guys so much if you made it to the end of today's video. Be looking out for Is It a Dupe or Just Waste Money? I promise you all. My goal is to at least put up 2 of those videos a month for you guys. So I'm definitely working on that. Check me out on my other channel, Hotmess in the Kitchen, for quick and easy fam bam meals that are budget friendly as well. And then of course, Hotmess Momma vlogs, where I do curvy girl fashion hauls over there. Of course, it's always budget friendly. All the things that I do, I always try and make them a budget friendly type of video. So anywho, thank you again to you all for watching. Thank you to Boxycharm for sending this box my way. And of course, until next time, friends, as always, wait, did I thank my YouTube members? I don't think I did. Psh, girl. Thank you to my YouTube members. You do not have to help support this channel, but you choose to, and I definitely appreciate each and every single one of y'all. Anyways, until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. Look how cute these are. These are from Impress. At the time that I bought them, they were like 10% off, or 10% cash back with Rakuten, by the way. So yeah, so cute. Okay, bye.
Playing, we ain't got the time. Tell me